Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. This is Tech Shop Series, episode 101. Tech Shop Series will be covering discount, great deals, or perhaps how to get free stuff over the internet. So in today's first episode, I'm going to share with you how to get a very low price for Zoom webinar. Since pandemic, I'm sure you all already know what is Zoom. Perhaps some of you already subscribed to Zoom Pro. Perhaps you are wondering what is Zoom Webinar. Just put it this way: Zoom Free, Zoom Pro, Zoom Webinar. It's a very powerful tool for you to organize webinars online. So one of the great things is you can do breakout rooms, you can allow the post, you can do live chat, and many more. Today I'm going to share with you how to get a Zoom webinar subscription, which is lesser than Zoom Pro subscription fees. So for Zoom webinar subscription, if you go to the official website, the price of the Zoom webinar will be $79.99 per month. Okay, it's quite a number. Okay, stay tuned with me. I'm going to share with you how much will be the price if you're going to get from the way I'm going to share with you. So first thing first, what is Zoom's webinar one more time? Okay, it allows you to organize a webinar session for up to 30 hours each, and you can export registrant and attendees list, as well as you have a CRM and marketing automation integrations. Also, you can monetize through paid registration. Imagine you have an online event, something like webinar, talk, or even workshop that we want to conduct online, and you wanted to charge every participant who coming in. So you can do that, as well as there's a live streaming, cloud recording, and so on. So in short, Zoom webinar is cost $79 per month per license, which is up to 500 attendees. Okay, this is 79 USD per month, right? Okay, for Zoom webinar, of course, you can promote your brand. There are a lot of stuff can be done, which is you can do a post webinar landing page. You can build a brand in the video watermark. Then you can interact and engage with your audience by using Q&A throughout the session. You can allow attendees to raise hand and respond to posts, as well as you can promote attendees to panelists who can share audio or video. Imagine you have 100 audience out there, you want to do that. As well as you can gather attendee feedback with an automatic post-webinar survey. Meanwhile, you also can build your business because you can collect all the contact information from registrants. You can push webinar contacts to your CRM. You can nurture attendees. There are many ways. And you also, last but not least, you can track and measure how it's going on with your whole webinar process from A to Z. So I'm going to share with you from $79 per month cut to $12.99 per month. Do you believe it? Yes, please believe it. It's not a scam. It's not a little bit. It's not a big deal actually, as long as you know a certain platform that provides you such benefit. Imagine you can save 804 ringgit USD per year. How to do it? Let me share with you. First of all, if you look at this guy, it's real, okay? It's real. It's $12.99 per month. And it's up to webinar with 500 people. And most importantly is unlimited cloud storage as well. Okay, so how to get this guy? Let me share with you one thing. Refer to the video description that I share with you. Go to this website first called shop.com. So the very first thing you need to do is go to this people icon here. Click on it and register an account. Okay, create an account. Don't worry, it's nothing being charged here because it's free to create an account here. Okay, create. Once you reach here, of course, you're going to type all the necessary information. Okay. as well as your phone number. Okay, the email deals is up to you whether you want to know whether there are more email offers in terms of discount from shop.com. Okay, it's up to you. For me, I just tick yes and continue. I'm going to create an account. Why we need this account is because when we're trying to sign up the Zoom through the website I showed you just now, you need the membership ID. So right now, right after you create your account, the next thing is, again, go to your account, click this guy called all account. Okay, from here, you can access to one of the great things you should carry on in your mobile phone as well. It's called the Privilege e-card. Because it's not just you can get discount and deals from shop.com. You can get it from many other stores such as Adidas, Zalora, or even Uniqlo. So I'm going to click this guy and I'm going to copy my ID card. Oh, sorry, my ID. So once I copy this guy, I will go back to this website. Okay, how to come to this website? Please refer to the video description. Okay, once you come to here, click sign up. After you click sign up, you have a choice to choose between monthly or yearly subscription. And the price is exactly the same. Anyway, just to share with you, this price might not be the same after the date. It probably increase in the near future, I'm not sure. So please sign up first if you really need that. Okay, so I'm going to get started. After you click get started, all you need to do is just like your normal checkout process, whereby you're going to fill up the information, including your name, mobile phone number, address. And most importantly, one thing I want to share with you is, please include the membership ID I mentioned to you just now. Okay, just proceed to checkout, fill out the necessary information. Remember I mentioned just now, fill up the membership ID of shop.com. This is how you get 12.99 per month. Okay, here just fill up the information as per usual when you're doing a checkout online. And this is the most important part here is this. You need to put up your preferred customer ID, which is the one that you registered just now at shop.com. I know most of you thought about signing up an account is called member, but in shop.com, they treat you as preferred customer. So this is how you get Zoom webinar with 12.99 per month. Okay, this is the very first episode of Tech Shop series, brought to you by Technology Simplicity. So I hope you enjoy the video sharing just now, especially you managed to subscribe to Zoom webinar with just 12.99 per month, comparing to the original price of 79 per month. It's a huge save, right? Okay, if you like what I shared with you just now, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, as well as put a ring so that you will get notification whenever I share such a great deal to you in the near future. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Jay Chong. Thank you. So again, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.